Hello guys, Frost here with you. I hope you are doing good, and today I'm going to show you how to disable updates for Windows 10, 11 and 8. Probably 8 is dead now by this day, so there is no updates for it. Microsoft doesn't support it. So first let's go to um oh no, let's press on Windows key then R and type in services MSC, then OK, then look for Windows updates. It's here. Hold on, please. Yes, Windows updates. Then click disable, then stop, and apply, then OK. This will only disable your Windows updates for temporary moments. So in order to deactivate the updates permanently, you have to follow these steps. So press Windows key, then R, and type in rig edit, and hit OK. Yes. Then follow these. Go to, I was already in it because I was testing. So let's go to HKey local machine, then software, then policies, then Microsoft, then Windows Update, then AU. If you don't have Windows Update, just create it by clicking U, then key, then name it and press anywhere. Then inside it, create this folder called AU by creating a key and naming it AU. And then press on it and go here and create a new DWORD 32-bit value and name it no Windows. No. Sorry. No auto update. Then click on it and change the value to 1 to enable it. To disable the Windows updates. Then click OK. Then as you can see now, the Windows updates are no longer working. You will see that you're encountering an error, and every time the Windows trying to make an update, it will be impossible for it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe and like and leave a comment if you have any questions, and have a nice day.